Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask. I will be using baby wipes. These are dried, by the way, so it's dry baby wipes, a sewing kit, and scissors. So first thing you want to do is take two dried, and these are very thick as well. If you need more, use more, and align it together like this. And then you want to go ahead and put your needle through a hook. And you can get this little needle kit. It's a cheap one from the dollar store. Here, I have one that's already hooked already. Yeah. I'm going to use the color white so you can blend in a little bit more with the background. Once you have a needle in your thread, what you're going to do is fold it about an inch. You're going to go both cheeks, and then you're going to take a side and make like a mini triangle. We're going to pin this, and we're going to do that with the other side as well. Make a mini triangle. You don't want to get too big or anything. Okay, so we're going to pin this side as well. Now we are going to knit, let me put this way, knit across this line, including this and this part as well, okay? On this side, you're going to do the same thing as this. Don't worry right now about the thread showing. I will do something about that later. So yeah, you're going to do the same exact thing you did on this side. You're going to fold it like about an inch, and then you are going to put the corners like this. Put a needle through, and same thing. Put a needle through. Okay, and you're going to knit this side up as well. Being a little hard at it. Okay, I'm going to start knitting this side up as well. It should look like this so far. It's a little bit messy, but it's quick, okay? Now we are going to use this piece. What we're going to do is we're going to, okay. I'm going to fold it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then cut it off. Let's get into it. 1, 2, 3. You could also hot glue this as well. Then we're going to connect it. Just start twisting it. twist, twist, twist. Twist, 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 twist. Just the middle part needs to be twist, and then leave like 2 ends, like these ends. Okay, like those ends, like this, like this, right? And you're going to see like this. You're going to fold them here and here. Twisting is easy. You can also knit it if you want, like knit it together, but I just chose to twist it since it's simpler. And I'm going to just put like 3 really small knitting holes in this. This one closer together than I usually do. Okay. Okay, and I made one perfect thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this and I'm going to tie it. Once and twice. And this is the final product. Let's see how it looks. So as you can see, that was really quick to make. It took less than 5 minutes, and I can breathe easily, and it also has a section here for me. And you can see it is connected to my ears. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more videos, please let me know.